Today we are going to learn how to do gift wrap. As I have announced in my previous video, I will be uploading videos of children doing painting, drawing or any craft work to boost their morale. For details, click on the link popped up on the right top of the screen. You can also check the same in the description box. First, we will learn how to wrap a gift which is in a square or rectangular shape. The size may vary, but the steps and techniques will remain the same. In later part of the video, we will learn to do an interesting type of gift wrapping for gifts which are cylindrical or round in shape. For further decoration, we can either use handmade bow or ready-made flower. Link to learn how to make handmade bow is in the description box. Now let's learn how to wrap a gift which is cylindrical or round in shape. We will wrap it like this so that it will look like a toffee. This wrapping is known as toffee wrap. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.